I don't know what I was thinking when I was picking out all these graphic What are you saying, gals and gents? Welcome back to my YouTube channel where we live life the affordable way. Today we have a clothing haul, just a simple clothing haul. So we have literally two sets of packages. We got fashionova and then we got Shein. So I wanted to combine the two to try it. Let's open fashionova first. So I ordered two sets of jeans because I feel like you just need a good two sets of jeans. The first jeans, I wear the size 9, so I'm praying this fit. Okay, this is in the color black, so I just want you all to see. This is in the color black. It's a high waist jeans and it has like a flare bottom to it. Love that. And then we got another jeans. Is a blue jeans. This is also in a size 9 and it has a flare bottom to the back. So let's try it on. Okay, so this is the first jeans that we got. I'm wondering if I should have get a size smaller, but I think it actually fits me like really great. What y'all think? Y'all think it look good? Let me know if it look good on. But I feel like it's giving me a nice little shape. I love how it has like the flare blue. These are super duper cute. When I say cute, I mean it cute. Like it gives me a nice little shape. It sucks me here, you know, the belly gotta be sucks like good for pictures and nice little crop tops. Let's try on the black. This is the black. Okay, so the black is also cute and has a nice little flare to the bottom. You know, that's what you want. The black is really sucking me. I like the black. So I will link all of these jeans down below in the description. Now let's look to see what all we got from Shein. I am so excited. Okay, so this is the first top that we got from Shein. Very cute. Look exactly like the picture. I just love the demographic of it all. And it pairs very well with this fashionova jean. As you can see, we look very cute. I could literally go to the door right now. So let's try on our next shirt. The next top that we ordered says cute but psycho. Okay, so this is the next shirt that we ordered. As you can see, it looks exactly like the picture. It says cute but psycho. So yeah, I got this. This is in the size large. Well, all of these are in size large, but this one is also cute as well. So let's check out our next shirt. Our next shirt is basically like a little graphic. It has, I think, this Marilyn Monroe. It looked like a. Let's see how she looks on. So this is how the shirt looks on. It's very cute. As you can see, fit my body very well. Not too crop. Love it. So it looks exactly like the picture. The next shirt that we got says, but daddy, I love him. And I don't know what I was thinking when I was picking out all these graphic shirts, but let's try it on. Okay, so this is the next shirt. It's cute. Now this one is a bit tight for a large because it's, as you can see, it's literally sucking my arm. But it says daddy, I love him. And I feel like the letters on it will come off, so keep that in mind when you're buying this shirt. But otherwise, it's cute if you're looking for a nice cute. I just got my hair done and I don't want no residue on my white crops. I'm not gonna try anymore on, but this is another crop that I got. So cute. Like, I want some silver grills one day. Definitely got to get. Now this look like this is a true large also, so I might just wear this today. because this is cute. This is a tank top that I ordered. It says in your dreams. It's like a singlet material. It's like a singlet material. So I know this will definitely look good in some jeans. This one of my favorite ones. It says gangster. Oh, I love this crop top, and y'all know, especially as summertime is, it's hot. So this will look good with some. Then I got this. This is just basically a nice little red top to go with, like, you know, anything red that I have in the closet. So I love this. Has a little cherry on top, nice little print. And my last top, why I got so much white? That's what I'm trying to figure out. But my last top is cute and I love it. Like, it has like a brown on it and it says hustle, because y'all know we in our hustle era of life. So it says hustle. So cute. Love it. And that basically completes this clothing haul. I hope you guys enjoy. All the pieces that I ordered will be linked down below in the description. We don't gatekeep over here. This is not a sponsored video, so there's no coupon, unfortunately. But I hope you guys enjoyed this clothing haul. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know which shirt is your favorite.